Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this app called Jitta, which can help you to look for undervalued companies. So for example, we look for Tesla. Okay, and we can see that the price is above Jitta line, which means overvalued. Okay, next for example, Microsoft. Okay, the price is also above Jitta line, which is overvalued also. And next, let's look at Amazon. The price is below the Jitta line, which means it's undervalued. So these are the simple ways to look at undervalued company. Okay, if you have benefited from this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for listening and watching.